Hi, I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and I am glad that you came to this video if you are wondering how to set the prices for your CNC projects. I am outlining a video right now that goes deep into this subject. However, I want your input. I need to know what kind of questions that you have so that I can really dive into all that stuff so we answer your questions. If you would, please put in the comments questions that you have regarding your uncertainties about setting prices. Now, I want to remind you, this is going to be a really deep dive. By the time you're done with this video that I'm going to be making, you're going to have a completely new understanding of how to charge for your CNC projects. And on top of that, you're going to know how you can charge a lot more and up your sales at the same time. So this is going to be a really important video for you if this is something that you are interested in. This particular video is temporary. It's just here to get your questions on setting prices. I will keep you informed on this particular subject video. I want you to be extremely successful with your CNC machine. So I really need your input so I can answer every question. And I'll probably give you a shout out for your question. Looking forward to what you're going to ask so we can solve that problem. I'll talk to you soon.